What's up, DCB fam? We're out here on this beautiful Sunday.
I was waiting on the legendary. What's up, YouTube?
Yeah, I had to kind of play it out. You know what I'm saying? So we had to.
It's DCB fam.
Yeah, we trying to step it up a notch.
Yeah.
I got merch I'm trying to put out. You know,
yeah.
just gotta, hope gonna ride with me today, y'all. So, man, I sure hope. Hope you don't weigh me down.
Hey, I got 3 people in my car, man.
Oh.
It's gonna be me, Caleb, and her.
Man. So. Yeah, they getting them set up, and then we gonna roll. Man, you got new stickies on this thing too?
Yeah, whenever you text me about that, I kid you not, whenever you text me and told me that you wanted me to come down here, I was like, all right, I got it on tire rack, ordered these tires, got to put on the next day.
Man, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all got it dialed in, or y'all still farting around with it?
It's doing okay.
Yeah.
It's only on 6 pounds of wastegate right now, so
yeah.
I got to hook up the boost controller hopefully tomorrow, and then once we get the boost controller on it, we can crank it up to about 800, 850.
Cool.
So yeah.
Man, we about to have some fun. It's freaking gorgeous out here, bro.
It's hot.
Check out these cars. Hey, this Hellcat modded. I think he got pulley and some bolt-ons. What you got done in the car, bro? Oh, okay.
Oh, is it really?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bone stock Hellcat, never mind.
We've never done it yet, but it's scheduled for
Cool.
some work to be done.
Cool.
We've never done it.
Is it auto car? Auto car, man.
Manual 6 speed.
Man, what?
Oh yeah,
It's
real.
a manual. What?
Real.
What?
I'm talking
Yeah,
about,
6
man.
speed.
Man, we got some muscle out here today. Don't underestimate this truck. It's a sleeper. What's up, dude? Yeah, it ain't no secret no more, bro. You gonna hold that down for a minute around here.
It looks so.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we got the Rouse color.
Nice. Oh, I seen this thing work. I seen it at night work, but I'm gonna get to see it in the daytime. Nice to meet you too, man.
I know you just put gas in it. I was going to tell you, I'd fill it up for you if you take me for a ride.
All right, man. Well, you take care, bro. Have a good one.
One,
them races, man. That was pretty fun. That was the pretty much the first little round. We're gonna take a little pit stop and then we are going to get back on the road. Had a couple friendlies on the road, so we had to slow down. Made it here to our destination, so we're gonna chill out for a second. That truck,
Dude, that's that roll wheels. I'm like, oh.
that truck ain't no punk, bro.
That truck is not no punk, man. I was like, golly.
That truck ain't no punk at all, bro.
That's crazy. I'm coming for you, Nat.
Who ran the truck?
It was me running the truck.
Everybody running the truck.
Man.
That truck hurt my feelings.
That truck,
All them same runs on the way back with the ice. I don't want none of this crap.
that truck jumped
We'll redistribute
hard.
that, dude. That truck is rolling, huh?
That boy got some, that's them Wrangler.
He got the rain.
So did I see him walk you, or what was that? I was looking.
It was
at
Oh, he jumped out hard on me.
and it was literally like this the whole time.
How did y'all beat me so bad, but y'all were tied?
The ZR1 literally, I'm telling you, literally hand in hand like this for like 10 seconds.
I need to re-race the GTR then.
The GTR is fast, man.
You ran the GTR?
Yeah, I ran the GTR. He put like 3 links on me.
What?
But then I ran the ZR1. Beat the ZR1 the first time. And was like neck and neck the second time.
What? All right. Gotta grab a bag of ice so we can cool that little bull down. Plus I got Poe riding with me, so we about to be about 200 and Poe gotta weigh at least 220. A little heavy on the way back, so gotta make sure I get ready for this run. Throw this ice in here and we're gonna be ready to roll. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
Pictures of it.
Oh, you good, bro? You good, man? All right, my hand is officially numb. All right, I got Poe with me, y'all. You ready, bro?
I'm ready. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be really fun.
So how much you weigh, bro? About 220?
250 pounds.
Ooh!
But people sit up and losing some weight. So let's go
Okay,
with
so we're gonna say 230.
230.
Okay.
Don't forget your hoods open.
Yeah, I'm about to. What you got going on there, sir? Yeah. I gotta see this. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's a cooler right there, son. I ain't playing no games. It's your first time filling it up?
Yeah.
This dude. Man, that boy put 3 full bags of ice in there. Yeah, you go ahead. Hey, Devin, they got a dude rolling up behind you in a Crown Vic. I think he want to run you.
Oh man, I know I see him. That's way too fast, bro.
Uh-oh. Got another one in the lineup. Let's check out.
Oh, that's a cop. She's got a badge on.
See that, man. Top flight security. So who all y'all ran on the way here?
So we were in the E85 bolt-on GTR. We ran the NA stick Camaro. Beat that. We ran Gavin, beat him, and we ran the ZR1, and we ran hand in hand for the whole race. It was a complete even race.
What a 230-pound pack. 1, 2, 3.
He left you, but then you came back and you left him. That was pretty good.
Who they pulling over way in the front? Well, cruise is over. It was fun.
And it's short.
We had some unexpected company.
Yeah, those Mexican police.
Yeah, it's beautiful weather though.
It feels great outside, and the cars were all pulling great. Nothing went wrong. No one broke down.
Yeah.
It was great until it got shut down, but
Yeah.
it was nice riding in this thing. This thing's a lot faster than what I would have ever thought.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
honestly, it's got some get up to it.
Yeah, and the funny part about it is, this is my first time racing. And I've been trying to, you know, learn
Oh,
it.
so this is your first time?
This is
like,
my
actually
first time.
going out
Yeah, it's my
racing?
first time racing it.
That's
Yeah.
awesome, and the car was doing great.
Yeah, it did good. Well, DCV fam, the cruise is over. And we're heading back to the house, waiting on everybody. I guess they got to come meet us at the house and we'll regroup. But it was fun. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. You have a blessed one. Everybody tell Poe bye.
Adios. Adios. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to Dom. This man's putting in work, and this car is fast, so definitely drop a like, because he put the gap in on some people today.
Heck yeah, I appreciate that, bro. And go follow my boy Poe too, man. Go check him out, bro. But look, man, we out of here, man. We about to go chill out and wait for the rest of the guys. So, see y'all on the next one.
Dom's filming me because I lost my vape inside of his Lamborghini.
Yeah, we
It's just one of those problems.
we was doing about $150, $160, I think.
and
on
my, the vape just came straight out my pocket. Do you have something that's long that possibly has like a hook on it? Like
Alright.
I just can't get to it with my big hands. It's on there.
You got it?
Yeah, but it's just hard to pull it.
It's in a nice spot.
Fell out of my pocket and now it's stuck inside of this car. This is a problem I never would have thought I would have had.
That was the trick.
That was a trick.
Bye.